What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and we are back again with an update on Project Huracan. You can see it in the back. And if you're wondering, who am I? I'm Will Motivation. I like to do videos on investing in real estate and supercars and having fun, living a certain lifestyle, travel, that kind of thing. If you're into that, make sure you hit subscribe. And if you're wondering, what is this behind me? This is my 2015 Audi S3. You might be thinking, what's so special about a 2015 Audi S3? Well, what's special is I am actually going to give this car away if I hit 100,000 subscribers by April 1st of 2019. So if you're watching my video for the first time or the second time or whatever, and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, because I'm going to do a contest to give away this car if we hit 100,000 subscribers, like I said, by April 1st. So subscribe if you haven't already, or if you're not interested in the car and you're interested in the real estate knowledge. This is Project Huracan. This is a new build house that I built from the ground up. You can see all of the videos on my channel. I have a playlist called Project Huracan, and it shows us building this house from when there was just a lot. There used to be a house here that burned down. I bought the land for about $8 grand, and I started building this house from the ground up. Now, this video today, we're going to talk about the update on Project Huracan. So we're going to do a Project Huracan update, show you guys what's going on, what progress we've made. And finally, yes, we've made some progress. We have not yet passed the framing inspection, but the reason why is because I decided to go ahead and frame up the basement, get all of the framing repaired that was a little bit shabby. And I'm going to show you guys why I decided to finish the basement, because I actually think if you finish the basement while you're building a house, you can get it done for a whole lot cheaper than if you finish the basement after the house is finished. Now, the only downside to that is, well, we'll talk about the pros and cons, but you get assessed for the taxes for the additional square footage. But anyway, let's go check out Project Huracan.
Motivation.
That's right.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to win this Audi S3. I'm telling you, if we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm giving it away. Now, if we don't hit 100,000 subscribers, I already am planning to order a 2019 S3 because I just happen to like these cars, and I need you guys' help me figure out what color I should get the interior. Okay, so before we go in to check out the progress on Project Huracan, I want you to do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, because we want to hit 100,000 subscribers ASAP. Now, let's go check out Project Huracan and the updates. So, first thing that is updated that you guys probably cannot see, well, you definitely can't see it, is I have the HVAC on and running. So it's actually warm in here. My heating bill is crazy, but we've got it on. So updates from the last time you guys saw the house, I had to repair some plumbing, and it looks like that's done. I had to repair some framing, put a stronger, larger support beam in that the plans call for. My original framer put in this small beam and it was sagging. So we put in a proper beam. It cost me, I don't know, about $3 grand to do, that and some other repairs. Man, but we're looking good. We're just about ready for framing inspection. Check out the framing. This is going to be a really nice house that I am going to keep. At first I was thinking about flipping the house, but we're actually going to make it a rental. So let me lock that real quick. Yeah, so we also had to finish fixing some framing in our bay window, which was really janky before, but now it's looking good. This is gonna be our kitchen area. You see the plumbing right there. That is for an island. There's gonna be cabinets. It's gonna be beautiful. Now, one thing I'm looking forward to is when we finish this house, I am actually going to do an open house and invite you guys to come check out the finished product. So before I show you guys the final finished, painted, cleaned up house ready to go, and I'm gonna put it up for rent, I'm gonna invite all of my subscribers out to see the house, and I'll give you guys the details, and I'm thinking that's gonna probably be in March, I hope. All right, so let's see how this inspection goes. But anyway, we shored up the framing. We brought this wall out just a little bit. In case you haven't seen the upstairs, I'll show it to you. We didn't have to do a whole lot here, except for just, you know, fix some framing that was a little bit shabby. We got it all together. We are ready for drywall. Master bathroom is gonna be off the hook. We got a tub and a shower. We've got, bedrooms are huge. So we've got 3 bedrooms up here and a Jack and Jill bathroom right here. So they got they had to fix this shower, ready to go. Another large bedroom, huge. Look at that closet, it's huge. This is the upstairs laundry right here. This is the master closet, which is huge. It's about, I'm gonna say 10 by 10 for a closet. I'm telling you, man, I may move into this house one day, or if I eventually move to Florida, I'll keep this house and I'll have this as my house in Columbus, Ohio. So yeah, this is a large master bedroom. Beautiful. And yeah, so if you haven't seen the upstairs, this is what it looks like. It's going to be nice. Looking forward to it. Now, let me show you guys the basement, because this is what kind of took us a little bit longer. We were fixing all the framing, getting all the framing good, and we decided to finish the basement. There's a bedroom in the basement. There's a large living room area and a little bit of storage. So let's go check it out. All right, so some of you guys may remember the basement before. There was no framing down here. And now we've got the basement fully framed out. It's gonna be sweet. Like I said, man, I'm probably move into this house if I get a house in Florida or overseas somewhere. But we got storage right here, huge, nice size door opening. We got electric everywhere, the code. We got a window here, but we've got a bedroom on the other side of this wall right here. So this is the cool thing, because we got an egress window down here. I paid extra for that when we built the foundation. Because of this egress window, we have a legal bedroom with a huge closet. We got can lights, you know. This is gonna be nice, really nice. Really, really nice. I can't wait to show it off. Can't wait to get the carpet down here. We've got a bathroom, full bathroom. We don't have a shower in it. It's gonna be a small shower, but it will have a shower nonetheless. And this is where we are. This is the update. Project Huracan is coming along good. We plan on getting the framing inspection this coming week. And after the framing inspection is finished, we should be able to insulate and then put in drywall. I think that's only gonna take a week or two. Once drywall is finished and mudded, then man, we're off to the races. Like it's literally will be in my comfort zone as far as finishing the house. Me and my friends, we know how to do all of the work from that point on. So I should save a lot of money there, and try to get this house finished ASAP. So hopefully drywall will be complete by the end of February, and then in March we can put the finishing touches up on this house, put the kitchen in, you know, put all the rough electric, finish all that stuff up, or the finished electric. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is Project Huracan update. All right, so I wanted to give you guys some of the pros and cons of finishing a basement when you are building a house from the ground up, whether it's you doing the project yourself or if you're paying a builder to do it, I think it's actually more cost effective to do it when you're building it. The only downside, like I said, is you got to pay taxes on that additional square footage when it's permitted, you know what I'm saying? So the city basically knows that you got a finished basement and you got extra square footage down there, so you might have to pay more taxes because the value of your house might be higher. So that's the downside, but the upside is getting it done. For example, so far on this basement, I've only spent about $4,000 on the framing and electric. I already had the rough ends for the bathroom put into place. So now all I gotta worry about is drywall and final finishings on the electric and painting. So I'm gonna save a lot of money because the drywall will be built into the full drywall of the house. So I think I'll save some money there by paying a little bit less because of how much work they're gonna be doing. And then finishing it by painting it and trimming it out. Me and my friends can do that. It's something that you can do yourself. Painting is pretty trivial and I'll save a lot of money. So I think I'm gonna end up finishing this basement for a little more than $6,000. Just depending on how much that drywall comes out to be. So I'll let you guys know the final numbers once we look at the final finished product of Project Huracan. This house cost me a lot of money to do, and it is the main reason why I have not bought a whole lot of rental properties, because I want to have my money set aside for the unknown things that pop up building this house. This is my first time building a house from the ground up, where I am in charge of the budget and everything. I built houses from the ground up from a consumer perspective for me personally, but this is the first time I'm doing one as an investor. So yeah, gotta save my money for that. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this real estate update, but I wanna talk a little bit about my, what turns out is gonna be my next channel car. I'm going to hopefully give away this S3 to my subscribers. Like I said, if I hit 100,000 by April 1st. If I don't, then I am going to go ahead. Well, I already know I'm going to go ahead and get a 2019 S3, and I need you guys to help me pick out the color of the seats. So let me show you the two color options I'm looking at, and you guys tell me which one I should get. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm on the Audi USA website. I actually built the Audi S3 that I want to order. I'm going to show you guys what the process looks like. So you basically go select the Audi, it's the S3. You can click on build. Now I'm pretty set on the color, but you guys let me know what you think. I'm definitely getting the Prestige because it has the better sound system, the virtual cockpit, which is definitely what I want. That's the biggest difference between the Audi that I have now and this, you know, the newer one is that virtual cockpit. But it's got park assist, it's got some cool stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna get a Prestige. I'm set on that. But the color, so I've already had a black RS3, so I don't want black. I've already had a white S3, which is my first S3. I loved it, but I don't want to do white again. I currently have this color blue, or close to it. It's called Sepang blue, but this one is called Aura blue. I already have, that's the current S3 color that I have, more or less. I'm leaning towards this dark blue. It's dope. You guys let me know what you think, but that's the current color selection I'm looking at. I mean, there are not many other colors in here that I haven't had. Red, I already got a red car right now, Lambo. And I'm not too fond of grays, but you guys let me know what you think. So anyway, that's the color I'm looking at. It's called Navara Blue. There it is right there, Navara Blue Metallic. I want the upgraded wheels right there. I want those. I might change them out, but that's a good starting point. Now, what I really need you guys to help me out with is the seats. I'm leaning between, you guys tell me what would be more interesting for YouTube, what you guys would rather see, but don't screw me over. because there's two color selections I'm looking at. So I can either go with, I want the gray because I think the gray will look beautiful with that blue exterior. So let's look closer up. There's a little bit of contrast with the gray when you go with the gray. Doesn't show it very well here, but everything is black, but the seats will be gray. So it doesn't really show it that well, but anyway, there's the option for gray. It's called rotor gray. And with the gray, you get the upgraded seating, right? I don't want to do black because black is kind of boring. I've done black already. It's like a rental car. Or we could go with red. What do you guys think about this red interior? Now, I like the red because it's not black, and I don't want to do black, but I'm not quite sure it goes with the blue exterior. It's kind of cool looking. You get some red stitching, you know, here and there. I'm leaning towards gray, but here's the thing. The red gives you power seats. If I go with the gray, here, right there, then these are sports seats and they're manual. They're like racing seats and they're manual. So I don't know, man. You guys help me choose. What would you guys rather see with this daily driver channel car that's going to replace my 2015 S3 eventually? Would you rather see the gray seats, the sports seats, really nice, or the red? I don't know. You guys help me choose. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.